What did she do that influenced you? Do you believe in
No.
So you don't believe
I don't
in that.
believe
It's not
in
that.
that. Yeah.
So then, how does she then impact you at Sundowns? Because you're a player, they love you. You're starting. You're in the 11. Bafana's looking at you as a permanent player in that position.
Like, harass man. So she even go further with I told indawo close to la ngihlala khona.
Just to harass you.
Yeah. Coach makangibheka ngelinye ilihlo manje. Yabo.
It was still Peter at the time, no?
Yeah, at the time.
Yeah.
So makangayithandi lento leyo. Maybe every after 3 days, 4 days kufika amaphoyisa la. Sure, Rustenburg ngiboshe 3 times.
Uboshelwane?
Nafika ejimini, nasuke kiye eJoza ejimini. Sinini wathi ngimrepile. Sinini wafika wathi ngimshayile. So kumele attend court kube nenkinga nyana ezenzakalayo. Angafiki. Case bayidrope kanjalo. Wathumela abantu endlini kunabantwana endlini. Uma ngafika endlini luckily mengiceda ukuphuma.
And this is at home with your parents, no? No lady.
No lady, no gogo.
No gogo, yeah.
But mina endlini mengiphuma immediately ngiceda ukuphuma. Maybe after 10 minutes. Uthumela abantu badubula la endlini. Nengcosi endlini, no magogo endlini.
What do you mean?
Gunshot. Shot 7 times.
But that's also such a big accusation. How do you know?
Because same after the next day, I posta ngayo social media.
The fact that your house got shot up.
What I hope khona bafile.
Hello guys, and welcome back. Please do not forget to comment, like, and of course do share this video. So you guys, Siyabonga Zulu, who is the former soccer player who dated Sangoma Gogo Maweni, has finally decided to speak on what it was like being in a relationship with the Gogo Maweni, you guys. So Siyabonga spoke to Andile Ngubwe on his show called Sports Night with Andile. And according to him, he does not believe that Maweni bewitched him at all. He, however, said that Gogo Maweni harassed him. He said Maweni would send the police over to his work, you guys. Now, his work being the soccer training on multiple occasions, and he says that the coach was not impressed with that at all. He also said that Maweni would accuse him of sexual assault or him being physical with her and have him arrested. During court days, Maweni would not pitch, and that's what he told Andile Ngubeng. And lastly, he said that Gogo Maweni had once said gunmen over at his home, and the guys would dubula in his house, you guys. Now, those are the allegations that Siyabonga Zulu has come up and made against Gogo Maweni. Please tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. Also, like this video and please do share it or follow me if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.